Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a beautiful cute hamburger. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw a semicircle. Okay. Burgers usually have lettuce in them, so I am drawing a lettuce leaf here. Okay, now draw a patty inside the burger. Now the lower part of the bun. Okay, now we'll draw the face. Smile and the cheeks. So our cute burger is ready. Now start coloring it. I am using orange color in the bun to color the bun. Okay, now color the bottom of the lower part of bun. Okay, now color the lettuce leaf with green color. Now color the patty with red color. Now apply some yellow sauce inside. Now do the black color in eye. Do some pink color in cheeks. Okay, so our cutest and yummiest burger is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.